So this Boya microphone can transform from a handheld microphone into a wireless clip-on microphone. It can also be an on-camera shotgun microphone, and it can also be a desktop microphone. Let's take a closer look at it. So yeah, this is the Boya Magic microphone, the first AI powered microphone, and yes, just like you, I have no idea what that actually means, but we're going to be taking a closer look at it. Now this microphone can transform into 4 different variants. It can be a handheld microphone, it can also be a wireless clip-on microphone, it can be an on-camera shotgun microphone, and it can also be a desktop microphone. Now it has built-in AI noise reduction, which we'll be taking a look at, and it also has a safety track feature and limiter also. I think the best thing to do is take a closer look at it and show you what it's all about. So the best way to show you how all this works is to show you exactly what you get in the kit and then explain how it all comes together. So the first thing in the kit that we can see is the main microphone unit, and inside the microphone unit is the 2 wireless modules. Each of these wireless microphone modules holds 6 hours of charge, whilst the microphone case holds an additional 30 hours. Now each one of these wireless microphone units can be used independently from the case, or they can be placed inside to turn the microphone unit into a handheld microphone, a shotgun microphone, or desktop microphone. And the way it transforms is very easy. Let's say we want to use the microphone with our mobile phone. All we do is remove the receiver from the rear of the microphone, plug it into your chosen device, and you're ready to go. Now the kit can either come with a lightning adapter receiver or a USB-C adapter receiver. Now changing the microphone into a desktop microphone is as simple as attaching it to the supplied tripod. And changing it into an on-camera shotgun microphone is as simple as removing the 3 feet off the bottom of the tripod. It comes already installed with a cold shoe mount ready to mount onto any camera. Now I know what you might be thinking, your device doesn't have a USB-C or lightning connector. Well, don't worry, because the kit also comes with a 3.5mm TRS receiver also. Meaning that this microphone can pretty much attach to anything with a microphone input. And like I say, at any moment you can remove either or both the wireless microphone capsules from the case and use them completely independently. Or if say you're doing an interview, why not keep one of the wireless capsules inside the case as a handheld microphone, whilst you keep the other wireless capsule mounted to yourself. This kit really does give you lots of options, but the most important thing with any microphone is how it sounds. So the most important thing with microphones is their sound quality, and this is the quality you can expect from the Boya Magic mic. Now obviously sound quality is very subjective, so let me know what you think to it in the comment section down below. Now as you can see, I'm wearing it as the clip-on, and yeah, look how small this is, it really is tiny. I'm also using the receiver on top of the camera. But like I say, I can use this with my mobile phone or any other device. Now we also get a windscreen that can clip onto the microphone capsule, but because there's no wind at the minute, I'm not going to put it on. Let's test out though how far the range is with this microphone and the receiver. Okay, so I'm roughly 50 meters now away from the camera, and this is plenty far enough. I'm not sure why you would need to go any further away and still record your audio from your camera, but this is to kind of give you an idea of how far you can get away with it still picking up the signal. Okay, so that was a range test. Now it is worth noting that I'm not doing any processing to the audio from this microphone. You're hearing it direct from the recording. Now it is worth also noting that I've not got the AI noise reduction on. Let's head somewhere else and give that a test. Okay, so we're on to our second test, and this is all about the noise cancellation, which is apparently AI on the Boya Magic microphone. Now as you can see, we're next to this busy motorway here in the UK. Now if you're from the US, this would be a freeway, I guess, or a highway. In fact, what's the difference between a freeway and a highway? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now at the minute we've not got the noise reduction switched on, we're still using the clip-on capsule. Now all we have to do to enable noise reduction is press the button on front of the wireless capsule, just like so. The LED on top of the capsule goes green, and now we've enabled noise reduction. So hopefully now we're not getting the noise from the motorway, and if you notice also we've got pylons here that are giving off a hum. Let me know what you think to the noise reduction in the comment section down below, but here's some stats about what makes this special. Now apparently Boya have tested this microphone with over 700,000 samples to get the best noise reduction system of any microphone. They've also done over 20,000 hours of noise reduction testing to get it absolutely spot on. Now the thing to be listening for is obviously my voice. How does it sound with the noise reduction enabled, and how did it compare with the noise reduction off? What we'll do in a second is turn it off and see how it compares. Now it is also worth noting that you can turn the noise reduction on and off using your mobile device or also the receiver. Right, let's turn the noise reduction off and see how it sounds with it turned off. So this is now the microphone with the noise reduction switched off. Again, let me know what you think to the audio quality. You can also turn the noise reduction on and off using the handheld case that comes with this microphone, and also the clip-on wireless microphone has a magnet to attach to yourself, or also a clip. Now when it comes to the price of this setup, this whole microphone system costs in the region of £95 UK. Yes, you heard that correctly, only £95. But coming up in their Prime Day special, you can get this whole setup for under £70. I'll leave links to it in the description down below. And what we'll do is one more noise test with the noise reduction back on so you can really compare it. And once again, we got that noise reduction system turned on. And like I say, they've put in over 700,000 samples of noises to get the best actual noise reduction system of any microphone out there. Again, let me know your thoughts about the audio quality in the comment section down below. Now, if you're getting anything at all from this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see further content from myself, hit that subscribe button also. Now, if you think there is a better microphone system out there for the cost, let me know also in the comment section down below. But for price versus value, then the Boya Magic microphone is really hard to beat. With them 4 different form factors of this microphone, it really is a content creator's dream. Right, let's head back and I'll give you my final conclusion. So I think you would agree that AI noise reduction system built into the Boya Magic microphone is absolutely incredible. Now all them clips you saw there or heard there were straight out of camera with no post-processing. Yes, you heard that right, straight from camera, no post-processing. The other thing worth mentioning is how natural my voice sounds with the Boya microphone without the noise cancellation on. One thing that's good with Boya microphones that I've always been impressed with is their audio quality. But as always, let me know what you thought in the comment section down below. Now like I say, in the Amazon Prime Day sale, you're going to be able to get this whole microphone system with everything included for under £70. So if you're in the market for a microphone, make sure you check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. But even at £95 UK, this really offers tremendous value for money and is one of the best microphones in my opinion on the market at the moment. If you do have any questions, leave them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. But yeah, check out the link down below, and if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see further videos from myself, hit that subscribe button and we'll catch up in that next video. Thanks for watching.